Hello guys, this is Rom Tips. Today I show you how to buy a eSIM that will work in Bosnia and Herzegovina, and the link and coupon will be in the description. Alright, and open description and click on link eSimWiFi.com and open this web page and click on this and write Bosnia. Alright, and click on this, open new page and scroll down and choose a fixed data plan, 1 GB 7 days or 3 GB 2 weeks. Alright, and click on this and click on buy it now. Alright, and write discount code ROAMTIPS and click on apply. Order discount $2.30, this is very good, and click on Google Pay and buy eSIM, or write email, write payment, write billing address and click on pay now and buy eSIM, and that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me. Bye bye.